Since 1908, Chicago Metal Fabricators has been one of the nation's leading providers of high-quality, heavy fabrication services. From the component level to 30-ton assemblies, Chicago Metal Fabricators has the experience and the integrated capabilities to build your fabrication, whether you need one piece or 10,000. Chicago Metal Fabricators operates from a 200,000 square foot facility, occupying an entire Chicago city block, providing the ability to house extensive capabilities under one roof. These capabilities include brake forming, cutting, machining, CNC punching and stamping, and plate rolling. Chicago Metal Fabricators also offers extensive welding services, including submerged arc, flux core, and MIG and TIG welding. All welding is certified to highest standards. And robotic welding on a large scale is a specialty. Shown here as an example, Chicago Metal Fabricators produces large weldments used in screens through which water flows on its way into a nuclear power plant cooling tower. Large-scale robotic welding. It's another way that heavy manufacturers who come to Chicago Metal Fabricators receive quality, service, and value.